Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can get a business loan from Chase Bank. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Now first of all, open up any preferred browser on your PC, go over to chase.com and make sure you're logged in over there. After that, you will be redirected to the main homepage of the website. There's a feature of Chase Bank that provides loans with categories. So the small business loan categories is one we are looking for. People go for Chase Bank whenever they want to get business loans because they have product for every size. Their lending option met your need with loan amount and payment term that work for you. No hidden fees. They value transparency, which means no hidden fees and clear rules around repayment. Key features: loan up to $500,000, monthly installment payments, typically terms up to 5 years, payments, payback what you have borrowed, along with any accrued interest on the loan. Fees: opens overlay, zero organization fee. Prepayment fees applies for the loans greater than $250,000. To apply for it, simply click on the continue embed and follow the on-screen instructions. That's how you can get a business loan from Chase Bank. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.